Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abdullah bin Utaba states that Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu, Oina bin Hassan bin Huzaifa visited Badr and stayed with his nephew, Hur bin Qais bin Hassan, an intimate companion of Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. For the Quran readers, old or young, would enjoy Hazrat Umar's company and were the members of his advisory committee. So Oina said to his nephew, "Do you have any access to the believer's chief? If it is so, get me the permission to meet him." He said, "I will soon get you the permission." Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states, Oina was granted the permission. When he entered, he said, "O Ibn Khattab, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you neither grant us wealth nor pass fair judgment in our affairs." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu got so much infuriated that he even intended to pounce upon him, but Hur said, "O the believers' chief, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, O beloved, adopt forgiveness and bid to do good and turn away from the ignorant, and undoubtedly he is amongst the ignorants." The reporter says, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, when he recited this verse, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu did not transgress the command, and he would totally withdraw before Allah's book. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7286.